latest comparison between Nikon Coolpix B700 and Coolpix P900 brought a lot of attention. Many people choose P900 as a winner, and so do I. But they don't know refresh is actually expected very soon. I collected all the possible information I could find on the web, and I will quickly share it with you. What is known in terms of Nikon P900 successor at the moment. Firstly, you should know what is the code name for Coolpix P900 successor. It is N1622, and it was registered in Indonesian Communications Agency back in April 2017. But maybe for the sake of this video, let's call it P1000. So we all know that for sure something is coming, and it will feature Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. It was supposed to be produced in Nikon factory in China. However, recently Nikon closed their Chinese plant due to growing dominance of smartphones in compact camera market. All of those factories' mess result in delayed announcement of P1000. Fortunately, Nokishita reports that the N1622 certification was actually renewed, and the camera will be produced in Thailand now. Some rumors suggest that camera will come with crazy 100 times or even 125 times optical zoom. There is information that Nikon actually patented 100 times lens for small sensor camera. Patent was filed back in September 2014, so I think it's very likely Nikon will use that now. And in my opinion, 100 times zoom is slightly more possible option than this 125 times. As far as date of announcement goes, there are few suggestions. Most people expected announcement at CIS back in January, but nothing was shown there. There are two possible variants, I think. Most optimistic is that it will be announced at CP Plus event in March 1st to March 4th. Others suggest the announcement in June 2018. So there you have it. Take it with a grain of salt. Remember, all of those are just rumors. I'm really curious what Nikon made, because P900 was honestly absolutely amazing. And imagine 100 times zoom on moon. That would be something. If you are thinking about buying P900, maybe you should hold and wait a little bit. I think if all of those leaks will become true, that will be definitely worth it. Such zoom is crazy to even think about, not to mention actually using it. Don't forget to subscribe and rate this video to support my channel. If you do that, then, well, I may even put P1000 to the test in the future. Not to mention other smartphone and camera comparisons and reviews coming soon. Thank you for watching and see you later.